Are you tired of traditional recruitment methods that yield subpar results? Do you find yourself drowning in a sea of resumes, struggling to identify the perfect candidate? Fret not. SlideTeam brings you a revolutionary solution in a form of a PPT presentation that will help you transform the way you hire. Ensure you land the creme de la creme of candidates with metronomic regularity using this content-ready and custom-made PPT presentation. Maximize your hiring efficiency with our Recruitment Weekly Scorecard. Click the link below to download it now. Even better, get up to 15% off. This is a comprehensive performance tracker of recruiters to analyze their performance. It is a well-structured table showcasing performance factors to help you evaluate your hiring team's progress. Here is another critical piece in the PowerPoint presentation that measures the percentage of candidates who progress through each stage of the recruitment funnel. Incorporate this ready-to-use PowerPoint slides to keep tab on reasons for candidate decline, recruitment cost, funnel scorecard with total interviews, open positions, and more. This PowerPoint template also exhibits a scorecard with hired candidates. It highlights shortlisted applicants, time to hire, rejected candidates, and more. Track and optimize your hiring efforts with our Recruitment Weekly Scorecard. Get it now by clicking on the link below. Outline a chart with applicant details such as their name, email, job title, and more to avoid miscommunication. It also comprises a bar chart showcasing applications received department-wise to know which department gets the most candidates. Last but not the least is this actionable PowerPoint dashboard highlights the quality of the recruitment process and hired candidates. This PPT presentation acts as a compass, guiding hiring teams towards the best sources for talent acquisition. Whether it's the ever-reliable job boards, social media platforms, or niche industry websites, this dynamic template provides you with real-time analytics on the most effective channels for attracting top-tier candidates. Download PPT Deck now and get a concise snapshot of your recruitment progress every single week.